Well, here's another video of my 99 Powerstroke. It's a little late on my research, but kind of got to looking around and oh, door, it's pretty cold in here. Got to looking around, and then turns out it's early 99, so it's got the well, I guess you could just call it, it comes stock with the Wicked wheel in it, just to upgrade the compressor wheel and the turbo, which I'm fine with that. It's $80 less for me. Got bored, so we cut the muffler off, just completely out. Tailpipe's gone. Can't really see it. It's right, there's a mount right here in front of the axle, and just took it out right there. Let's set my phone down and give you a little bit of rev on this thing and let you know how it sounds. And yeah, that's about it for right now. I got the running boards off, thank God. Seems you would freaking kill yourself. Well, bought a Edge which one was it? Edge Evolution. Put it on the performance, or the third tune. It's like 100 horse, 200 torque, whatever it is. Well, that's about it for right now. Got a list of things to do, just don't have the money right now. Be more shortly.